Jessica from second year BCA. So I would like to here speak about some words on violet color, which is present in the Vidgaya. The word violet is the color which is the innermost layer of the rainbow, and it is the topmost color of the rainbow, the spectrum vibrance of light, and it is the violet color is caused by the overlap of the rainbow and specifies the supernumerary of both. The violet color, which is also inspires the unconditional and selfless love of its own, and also it is inspired associated with the source of the natural and emotional of love of its own color. So also exact meaning of the violet color means the word violet color is also known as a small flowering plant called Venus Viola, which is also known as a famous given by in the ancient historical cultures. And also the violet color is a word which is also known as the flowering plants like lavender flower, and also a word like purple emperor butterfly, which is also violet color symbolizes the colors like nobility, spirituality, wisdom, and enhancement of the color of its own.
A third year BCom student. I'm here to speak a few words about one of the topic in Vidgaya. The color blue in Vidgaya spectrum has rich history and heritage. In ancient times, blue was a rare and sacred color. In the Indian culture, blue represents Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna, symbolizing the divine power, truth and protection. It stands for calmness, depth and spiritual wisdom, showing the balance between earth and sky. Blue also reflects the infinity and peace in the Indian art and tradition. Thank you.
Lakshmi Evi. I am from first BCom. I am going to represent the color green. The green color represents nature, growth, freshness and harmony. It creates a feeling of calmness and balance. It is made by mixing of blue and yellow colors. It shows love and respect towards nature. In Indian flag, green stands for fight, fertility and prosperity. It is seen in leaves, trees, plants, etc. It is commonly in eco-friendly, health and agricultural themes. It helps to reduce stress and increases calm and helps to focus. Green is known to have a calming effect of nervous system.
Myself Nandini from second year BCom. Now I would like to represent the color orange. It is ability to stimulating energy, creativity and communication while fostering feelings of work, joy and social connection. It is a highly visible color. It symbolizes strength, bravery and determination. It encourages confidence and positivity. Nature examples, sunsets, marigold and oranges. It is a combination of red and yellow light.
I am Sirisha from first year BBA. Today I would like to tell about yellow color. Yellow color that signifies joy and energy, and symbolizing happiness and sunlight. It is also represent warning, and in many cultures, particularly in India, is considered auspicious, and it is also used in many cultural activities like ceremonies, festivals, and it is also used for safety equipment like school vans and traffic signals. And it is yellow in Hinduism is the color of Lord Vishnu. Thank you.
Myself Chandana from final year BBA. Now I am here to representing the color red, which is in the part of the rainbow. The color red is the outer edge of the rainbow, which represents the energy, passion and vitality. It is also primary color in the visible light spectrum, which is within the highest wavelength. The red color symbolizes the in times of danger, emotion, love, and energy. It is visible in blood and fire, and also natural objects like the apple and strawberry. It is highly attention and grabbing. It is used for stop signs, fire engines, and warnings. Culturally, the red color signifies the Western and Asian culture. The Western symbolizes the love and passion, and Asian symbolizes the good fortune and joy. The red color has been associated with the power and courage, as seen in the national flag's red carpet, and historical and political symbols like the red flag. Thank you.